Hey everyone, today I am checking out these night vision binoculars. So these have a bunch of features that I wanted to show you. So first, it does come with an extended lifetime warranty. So make sure you scan that QR code and get that going for you. It does have instructions right here, so it shows you everything about how to set it up. Comes with a cleaning cloth, and it comes with a great strap. So you can use this strap to hold onto the binoculars. But let's check out the binoculars themselves. So these are 4K infrared binoculars. They are rechargeable, so they do come with a charging cord. You do just need a USB block to plug those in, but you already have that, so that's pretty easy to do. Then it does have a 32 gigabyte card, which will help you store photos, take photos, and just save everything that you see at night or during the day. So these not only have night vision, but they also are perfect for daytime security, for home security, for checking out the farm, for checking out wildlife, perfect for pretty much everything. So they do have lots of different ways to focus the cameras, so you can just adjust them. So there's a dial right here to kind of get your focus into exactly nice clear picture. So you can just use that clear dial right there. You can see it has all these nice buttons. So it does have the infrared button, so you can change the color and tone of what you are seeing through the binoculars. And it does have the mode button. Let me flip this around for you. Power on and off. It does have day and nighttime buttons. Again, all of this is in the manual. You can press a button and take a picture. How easy is that? You can press a button and take a video. And this, unlike binoculars, has a nice big wide screen, and this is very soft. You can see, so it's going to be comfortable to use on your face, and so simple to use. Down here, let me show you, is the charging port. Turn it on and off, so you can turn it on and off. This is where that 32 gigabyte SD card is right there. So that is going to have all of your pictures and all of your video stored right there for you. So you pop that right back in. Love that it actually comes with that. So when you get these binoculars, you are totally ready to go. So you just peel these off. Those kept them nice and scratch resistant while they were shipping, and you're ready to go. So all you need to do is just turn the button on. I haven't charged these yet, but you can see right away. I'm going to just get really close here. So you're going to zoom in, and I am just looking at a box right now, but I can use that zoom all the way down here and kind of get the picture even better. So when you have actually something to look at, this is really nice and clear. So I'm going to go outside and kind of get something to see so you can see how great it looks. And I love that it has that screen right there. So you're actually looking at what you could take the picture of. So it's so nice and easy. Again, these were so easy to use. You could see I just pressed a button. Let me just show you what happens when I press these infrared buttons right here. So it goes into night vision. You can see it keeps going. It changed colors, goes right into the night vision. You see that moon up in the corner there. And if you can change it down again, you can press the mode button, and you can see that it does just flip over and changes, again, all the different modes that you can use, changes the HD. But I like to have the full HD picture right there. So I got that on 1080 set. I like that it also has the time and date stamp at the bottom here. So all your videos and pictures are going to be labeled and ready to go. So let's go ahead, look at what it looks like outside in real time instead of just staring at a box through binoculars.
So here is a view in that infrared night vision. So you can see the picture is really clear, even though it's very dark. We're looking at some trees here. These trees are pretty far away, so this does give about a 10 times zoom, so you can get really close. I just pressed that infrared button again. I'm just kind of going to give you a few different views. You can see that little moon and stars in the top corner. So that gave the night vision a little bit of color versus when it's off and it's kind of just black and white. So there are all those different modes that you can kind of switch into to get the clearest picture. Again, if you want to record, you can press the record button, and that'll save right to that SD card, or you can take a picture. So you can see up in the top corner, it does say record. So it's recording the video as we speak, and I can just put that SD card into my computer and get all the footage. So again, this is straight view through the binoculars, so you can see exactly what it looks like. And again, you can kind of adjust the focus if you'd like using that bottom dial with your thumb. So that's really nice and easy to do. You can see at the bottom it also does have a time and date stamp, so everything is time and date stamped. So here is just a view during the day. So this is what it looks like, full color, full sunshine, full day view. And again, such clear picture that has that 1080 HD view. Again, you can do that record, you can do the photo if you'd like, and it's so simple to use these binoculars, and the picture quality is just incredible, amazing. It looks like you're looking at an HD video because you are. And these are also very portable. You can bring them anywhere. They come with that strap, which is really nice. You can hold hold them around your neck very easily. They're nice and light and just easy to use. So if you're looking for a great pair of binoculars, these are definitely amazing, and you can use these. Also makes a great gift if you wanted to give it to somebody, because everybody could use a pair of these binoculars in their life. So hopefully you guys found this helpful and give them a try.